Hi, I'm Helena from Korean Coach Helena. Do you like coffee? I used to love coffee so much, so I drank 3 cups of coffee a day. But I couldn't sleep well at night, so these days I try to drink just 1 or 2 cups of coffee a day. How about you? How many cups of coffee do you drink a day? Or how many cups of water do you drink a day? We are going to learn how to use native number when you talk about the number of items and the number of people. Then let's get started. In the last beginner lesson 5, I already dealt with how to use sign number. But if you didn't see that video yet, then please click this way and come back. Comparing to both sign number and native number, I already mentioned that native number is used for friendly and casual daily setting. What does it mean? Korean people use it when we talk about age and the number of people and items and an hour of a day. That's it. It means we don't use this number for the mathematics or complex scientific performance. So you don't need to memorize it from 0 to 10,000 like sign number before. The better news is that native number is often used only from 1 to 10. Really? Yeah, kind of. Well, but there is only one exception. Age. That's because we are already older than 10 years old, right? So this lesson video is divided 2 parts. Part 1 is 1 to 10 with 10 unit nouns. And part 2 is 11 to 99 to talk about our age. Are you ready? Then let's get started with 하나. 1 is 하나. 하나. 2 is 둘. 둘. 3 is 셋. 셋. 4 is 넷. 넷. 5 is 다섯. 다섯. 6 is 여섯. 여섯. 7 is 일곱. 일곱. 8 is 여덟. 여덟. 9 is 아홉. 아홉. 10 is 열. 열. Alright. To count the number of items and people, you need to put the unit noun after the native number. And at this point, the native number is changed slightly, but just 1 to 4. So, 하나 is changed to 한. 둘 is 두. 셋 is 세. 넷 is 네. 하나. 커피 한 잔, 소주 한 잔, 우유 한 잔. 잔 means glass or cup. 둘. 고양이 2마리, 개 2마리, 사자 2마리. 마리 is used when you count the number of animal. 셋. 남자 3명, 아이 3명, 친구 3명. 명 is used when you count the number of people. 넷. 여자 4분, 사장님 4분, 선생님 4분. 분 is the same as 명, like counting noun for the people. But 분 is more polite expression. 다섯. 사탕 5개, 별 5개, 토마토 5개. 개 is the most common counter noun to count almost every object. 6. 물 6병, 와인 6병, 주스 6병. 병 is bottle. 7. 소설책 7권, 노트 7권. 권 is used to count book or note. 8. 아침 8시 or 밤 8시. 시 is an hour of a day. 9. 맥주 9캔, 통조림 9캔. can is can. 10. 종이 10장, 콘서트도 10장, 기차표 10장. 장 is the counter noun for paper. Now, let's find out how to say 8. The way to read 11 is very similar to sign a number. So, 11 is 11. So 12 is 12. 17 is 17. But from 20, 30, 40, 50, they have their own name. So 20 is 스물, 스물. 30 is 서른, 서른. 40, 마흔, 마흔. 50, 쉰, 쉰. 60, 예순, 예순. 70, 일흔, 일흔. 80, 여든, 여든. 90, 아흔, 아흔. And when you talk about your age, you can just put 살, this unit noun, after the native number. In this case, also 1 to 4 is changed slightly like before, and just 20, 스물, is changed to 스무, 스무. Alright? And how old are you in Korean is 나이가 몇 살이세요? Directly. But it sounds a little bit, so I recommend you use this expression. 실례지만, excuse me, but 나이가 어떻게 되세요? 나이 is age. 어떻게 되세요? But the meaning is how old are you? 실례지만 나이가 어떻게 되세요? Alright? Lots of students just practice the answer, but I hope you also practice how to ask how old are you politely. Alright? Now let's practice. 26 is 26. 32, 32. 41, 41. 57, 57. 89, 89. Alright, and now let's talk about my age. How old am I? I am 36 years old in Korean age. 36살이에요. Oh my god. But internationally, my age is 34. 34살이에요. Why there is a differences? Maybe some of you already know and some of you have no idea. In Korea, as soon as I was born, I'm already 1 year old baby. And I was born at October 30th. So just about 62 days later, when it becomes the New Year's Day, I was 2 years old baby. Unfortunately. I think it's not fair, but I have to follow my nation's rule. So anyway, if you really want to know your Korean age, then it's easy. Just think about the current year and minus your birth year. And +1, that's your Korean age. Anyway, let's practice. RMC, 나이가 어떻게 되세요? 26살이에요. 아이유씨는 나이가 어떻게 되세요? 27살이에요. 강동원씨는 나이가 어떻게 되세요? 39살이에요. Okay, that's everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching to the end. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumb up and please click this way to subscribe this channel every week. Next week, we're gonna learn how to use 을을, that object particle, in the sentence. I hope you have wonderful weekdays and see you next week. Bye! 안녕히 가세요.